A cabinet meeting was held today to decide on various decisions to pending issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA informed that as per the observations of the National Green Tribunal Court, the state government has made certain rules that were passed in the cabinet today. The rules known as the Meghalaya Minerals Prevention of Illegal Mining, Transportation and Storage Rule 2022 will apply to both major and minor minerals.
Regarding the rules that have been framed under Section 21 of the MMDR Act, and under Section 21 of the MMDR Act, the rules pertaining to transportation, storage and illegal mining, the rules have to be framed by the state government, and this was also the observations of the NGT court, and based on that the state government has made the rules today and passed it in the cabinet. The rules are called the Meghalaya Mineral Prevention of Illegal Mining, Transportation Storage Rules 2022. So it's like this, that under the Section 23 of the under Section 23C of the MMDR Act, the state governments are mandated to have rules made to check the transportation, issuance of transport challan, regulate the storage of the minerals, and also to monitor the illegal transportation. Now, in the past, though this mandate was there, the rules were never there in the government of Meghalaya for the past 30 years, 40 years now, since this MMDR Act 1957 has come out. So therefore, this was a long pending rule which should have been there. And this was brought to the notice by the NGT. And based on that, the NGT had then made provisions on their own to come out with certain provisions to monitor the movement of the trucks and the storage of the minerals and the transportation challans. But now that these rules are there, and NGT had made an observation that government of Meghalaya should come out with these rules at the earliest. So as I said, to be very, very brief, 3 sections are there. One is the issuance of the transport challan. Number is regulate the issuance of transport challan. Number 2, storage of the minerals once it's taken out, storage of how it will be stored, where it will be stored. And third is to monitor any illegal transportation. So these are the 3 mandates that are there given in these rules.
Another decision made during today's cabinet meeting was on the regularization of government employees who have been appointed on ad hoc basis against a sanctioned post.
Regarding the regularization of employees who had been working in sanctioned posts but were appointed on an ad hoc basis. As you're aware that earlier the Supreme Court had come out with this ruling, and based on that ruling, a large number of ad hoc employees and a one-time provision was given where employees without the district selection, without MPSC or without any proper procedure or advertisement or following the different reservation policy, the departments had appointed individuals on an ad hoc basis against sanctioned posts. A large number of those people were earlier regularized as a one-time affair, but a few people were missed out. And based on the court ruling and based also on the case that has been filed by those employees who were missed out, another list of 3,635 such employees have today the decision has been made that the process to regularize them will be done, and basically based on that the procedure will start, and they will be regularized from the date of the notification of the regularization, and after the procedure and process is followed, and also they will be governed by all the rules and regulations that are there that are applicable to other government employees.
While informing about the response of the HNLC to the appointment of an interlocutor for the peace talks, CONRAD SANGMA said that the proscribed outfit has verbally agreed to this.
No, the discussions are just starting, and therefore the interlocutor now will start the discussions. Once the discussions move forward, then we will be able to come to clearer. Right now, I think the interlocutor will have to start doing the exercise. So once that starts, then the entire picture will be clear. No, we have communicated through channels to them, and the communication has reached them, and they have also verbally, in fact, informed to us that they are agreeable to the individual that we have named, and so of course the process of all that will take place. But as I said, these are talks that have to happen at different levels. It's not as simple as just writing a letter or me calling somebody or somebody else calling somebody. So there is a process we have to follow in this. So all those processes are being done, and the communication is being done to them. Maybe not in writing immediately, but we have informed them about this decision, and they are aware about it.